Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Gears of War board game. This is a fully cooperative game where 1 to 4 players take on the role of COG soldiers. Your main goal is to complete various mission objectives while battling the relentless Locust Horde. Success hinges on teamwork, as all players win or lose together. If all COG soldiers are bleeding out, the mission fails. Setting up your game is crucial for a smooth experience. First, select one of the 7 available missions, like Emergence for new players. Each mission dictates specific map tiles, enemy types, and objectives. Players then choose their COG soldier, taking their character card, starting weapons, ammo, and grenades. Next, place the corresponding Locust figures and wound markers, and prepare the AI and order card decks. Gameplay flows through a series of turns, each with 3 steps for the active COG soldier. First, the heal step lets you draw up to 2 order cards, representing both actions and health. Next, during the COG order step, you must discard 1 order card to move up to 2 areas, perform an attack, or resolve the card's specific actions. Finally, the Locust activation step occurs, where an AI card is drawn to control enemy movements and attacks. Combat is a core part of the game, resolved using custom dice. When attacking, you roll black attack dice based on your weapon, while the defender rolls red defense dice, potentially gaining extra dice from cover. Weapons often have 2 modes: Standard, which uses no ammo, and Overkill, which consumes 1 ammo token for increased damage. To achieve victory, your team must successfully complete all objectives listed on the mission cards. However, if all COG soldiers are bleeding out, the mission is lost.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.